What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today, to my surprise, we have a ton load of cases here for the new generation of iPhones. We have cases for the iPhone 12, we have cases for the iPhone 12 Pro, we have cases for the iPhone 12 mini, and also for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. And also, RhinoShield was kind enough to sponsor today's video to let you guys know that this Black Friday they have sales of up to 60% off. And if you use my code as well, you could add that on top. Code SHEVO in a checkout, add that on top of the discounts, so you're getting discounts on discounts. But yeah, without any further ado, let's take a look at these cases. One of the most cases that I was like interested in the most was the PewDiePie series, and it's right here. Really excited to test out this PewDiePie case. But yeah, let's get unboxing. So what I like the most about these RhinoShield cases is that it's so customizable. For example, look right here. You have buttons. You could literally order buttons. These are side buttons. You might be wondering, Shevon, why would you need side buttons? That's because you could interchange the buttons on a case. So for example, this is a Modern X case where you could swap out the back plates and put on something like this. So if you want to mix and match your back plates, you could do that. It's just like a whole style. Who has the best style? You have so much options you could choose from. I don't know where to start, but let's start with something for my iPhone 12 Pro right here. So this is my Pacific Blue, the best color in the game, iPhone 12 Pro, and let's see what style could come up with. So let's go ahead and get a blue. Let's get a blue. Or should we get blue? Yeah, let's use a blue. So this is the Mod NX case. This is the unboxing, super simple, and we have a rim that we could swap out. Let's get one of these PewDiePie back plates. So let's go for this. Do they have a blue one? Yes, they do. So they have a blue PewDiePie back case for the 12 Pro. And with all the PewDiePie cases, you get a nice limited edition sticker. I'm not actually sure if it's limited edition, but you get a nice sticker that you could use. There we go. Peel. Oh my, I love this year's case. It feels so good. It feels a little bit different from last year's cases. So let's go ahead and put this in. You get the back plate, the bumper case. Make sure you line it up correctly. And it just snaps right in. So now you went from a bumper case to a full-fledged case right here. Just like that, boom. You can't tell me this isn't clean. Look at that. And if you want to rock the bumper case alone, you can do that as well. Guys, look how clean this looks. This PewDiePie one is actually insane. And if you want to, you can switch it up. So you want this back plate on, easy does it. Boom. Look how sick this is. I'm not even sure what kind of case this is, but it has tons of different like cartoons on it. It looks sick. And you could also change the bumper again. But this year case is really easy to take off as well, because normally with RhinoShield cases, it's kind of a task to take them off. But look, you just press down the sides and you're good to go. Like, that's how easy it is to take off this year, and I love that improvement. But if you're not a bumper case or a modular case type of person, I mean, it's still modular because you could change out the buttons, but this is their solid suit lineup. Military grade, BPA free, 3.5 meter drop protection, so you know the impact on this is insane. Unboxing, super easy. We got that PewDiePie sticker as well. Let me know if you guys want me and RhinoShield to do a giveaway. We could try to sort something out. This case is funny. We have the cringe ceiling. It's like a cringe glass floor gang height. I love this year's case though, man. The rounded corner, ooh, the rounded corner design is nice. But there we go, this is the PewDiePie one. And let's switch up the sides. Let's get some gold buttons on the side. Let's see if we could do that. Boom, pop that out. Pop the new one in. And it will not drop out. You can shake this thing all you want. Pop these volume rockers out. And you pop the new volume rockers in. And they are super tactile. Now we got our new side buttons. change up the style. So you guys can see how you could get creative with this thing, right? The customization options doesn't stop there. You can also put your name at the bottom of the case. You could put pictures of your pets, your cat, your dogs, you know what I mean? Even a family member, even your own face. Anything you want, you could put at the back. You have to go on the website and customize it. So yeah, a lot of fun things you can do with RhinoShield cases. Another thing RhinoShield is known for is their solid suit cases with the different materials. So they normally have the wood, they have the leather, and also the carbon fiber. What makes these two solid suit cases special is that the leather one actually feels like you're rubbing leather. It's not just like a design on it. And the carbon fiber one feels like it's carbon fiber. So it adds that nice, sophisticated, premium feel at the back of your device. And I think it's also giving it a good look, because a lot of people like that carbon fiber look, and a lot of people love that leather look. And this leather will like wear and tear over time. So if I push my nails in it, you can actually see it creating dents. So it's gonna take up the form of that personal look that a lot of people like with the leather products. We also have AirPod cases. So these are some AirPod cases that is sent over, and I'm kind of digging this white one, this PewDiePie white one. So let's see, with the fist. So I think this one would have the PewDiePie fist on it. Oh, it actually has this, the cube, the Minecraft cube. So we'll just get our AirPod. I think this would be the front. So there we go. This is the back. And as simple as that, we have our PewDiePie AirPod cases. And it also comes with a carabiner hook. Drop tested, of course. So it comes with a carabiner hook, so if you want to put this thing onto your waist, you could put it onto your waist. Another thing you got to have on your iPhone this year, guys, is some protection. So even though these new iPhones come with that ceramic coating, that ceramic shield, it still scratches super easy. But now we have their impact screen protectors, and I'm gonna put this onto my iPhone 12 mini and see what it looks like. The thing I like about these impact screen protectors is that it's not like tempered glass, it's flexible glass. So it doesn't break as easy as tempered glasses would. So normally when you drop your phone, tempered glass it shatters the screen, but because this is like super flexible, you won't have that issue. Kind of suck with screen protector installs, but I think I did a good job. I'm not gonna lie, a few bubbles, but this is why we have our bubble remover tool. See, we got them bubbles out. There we go. Boom. Brand new iPhone. You don't even feel, that's what I like, you don't feel the screen protector on the phone. Give you guys a good view. Yep, there's a screen protector on this. You wouldn't even know. You wouldn't even know if I didn't tell you. That's how clean this thing is. Ooh, and doesn't this just brighten up the day? This yellow bumper case is a vibe. And as I said before, the sides, it feels so good because they switched it up this year. It's a squared off side. So we still have that RhinoShield logo right here though. Good cutouts, nice lip protection, volume button is reachable, and the back is just a whole vibe. But at the end of the day, it's all about who have the most style. So I have all these different color rims, and we're gonna see what it looks like on this yellow bumper case. So taking a closer look at this year's cases compared to something from last year, which was the 11 Pro Max, you can see that RhinoShield really stepped up with their entire design. So first thing first, the camera lens. So if you guys look closely, you can see the camera lens cutout. They added more like protection around the lip compared to the 11 Pro right here. And also taking a look at the sides, as you can see, we have that squared off design now, which feels way more comfortable to hold in the hand, but it's still the overall same design sense. If we look inside, we still have their honeycomb technology inside the cases. Now guys, let me clean up my entire desk. I'm gonna take a closer look at these new PewDiePie cases for the new iPhone 12 devices. Alright guys, so I don't think RhinoShield sent over all their color combinations for the PewDiePie lineup, but these so far is what I could find, and these are my favorites. So this one is actually my favorite for the 12 mini. And you can see how nice this look really has that PewDiePie vibe to it. It's the same design because this is the solid suit case, but the entire PewDiePie design on it looks sick. And you have his logo right here, The texture is nice on this case though. This one is for the 12 Pro, the classic black and red PewDiePie style. It also fits the iPhone 12, but you guys can see how good it looks. But man, I love how RhinoShield did their new camera lip. So much lip protection right here. And let's actually get the neon buttons onto this one real quick. Ooh, that looks sick, right? So that's what I was saying, like the entire case is customizable. You still have the red on the back, but that green side buttons really give it a vibe, and the phone just feels so good in the hand with this squared off designs. I think that's where Apple really did it this year with the iPhone 12s, man. The squared off design is so good to look at, to feel. And lastly, we got the 12 Pro Max. Almost the same design as this one that we just looked at, but the square is like a Minecraft cube down at the bottom. Oh, this ear is just so easy to put on. There we go. So easy to put on and take off. Something that RhinoShield isn't really known for, but this year they're known for that. So we still have that same tight, snug fit and protection, but yet again, it's still easy to take off, which I love. Thank you guys for making it to the end of the video. And the good news is I'll be giving away one of these cases. The rules are simple. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. You drop a like, comment down below what case you do want to win and why, and also follow me on Instagram, like my picture on Instagram with the cases, follow RhinoShield on Instagram as well, comment on the picture, anything you want, make sure you enter in the giveaway so I could find you guys when you win, and that's it. That's all you have to do. So good luck to everyone. As always, love, peace, shout out to Floor Gang, sign. Oh, I'm sorry, my battery just died, but yeah, love you guys, peace.